classroom.
Magsimula na ng tanungan.
Ashley, masasabi mo bang nagpakatotoo ka sa loob ng bahay? Or nagpapaka-safe ka lang para hindi ka namin maboto?
As the person I am, I wouldn't say playing safe. For me, myself, I'm just quiet and I just listen to what everyone has to say. But then if people have to hear my opinion, that's where I speak up.
But sometimes when you have a problem with one person, why can't you tell it directly to their face?
For me, I don't want to start any trouble. For me, I like to ask people for advice because I'm scared to approach the person. Will it affect them or will it make them upset? So if I ask advice for if I have a problem with someone, at least I get the advice that's right.
Hindi ba dapat kung may problema ka sa isang tao, sasabihin mo agad?
Of course, but if the problem is something that is very sensitive to both people and that will start more trouble and the problem will get worse, I feel like it's better if you ask for advice first and then go talk to the person, from my perspective.
Alam mo naman na siniship namin kayo ni Tan, and habang tumatagal napapansin namin na there's something between you and him na like that. Totoo na nga ba ang nararamdaman mo kay Tan or pinaglalaroan mo lang ang damdamin niya?
Okay, here we go. And I made it clear to him that I don't want to play around, that I'm scared to like someone because of what I've experienced with my parents and my dad and how he feels about me and boys, especially when it comes to these crushes and boyfriend and girlfriend. I don't want to rush it because I still worry about my dad.
Hindi ba naguguluhan siya sa pinapakita mo sa kanya?
No, we never came to a point where he was confused on my feelings. When we always talk, I always try and make it clear to him that, yeah, not to rush things. But that's on him if he listens or not.
Oh my God, Kuya.
Pinakikita mo sa amin kung gaano ka kaate sa akin at sa iba pang housemate. At syempre, meron din tayong mga ayaw or gusto sa isang tao. So, sinong housemate ang pinakaayaw mo sa lahat? Bakit?
Yung totoo.
Be honest.
Yeah. No hard feelings, guys, but for my so this housemate, it's not a hate with a passion. It's not a hate. It's not a dislike, but it's things I've witnessed about this housemate. So this housemate would be you, Narcy, because sometimes your attitude comes out and sometimes you're impolite and sometimes your jokes or the things you say comes out in a negative way that the person that you're saying it to can be somehow insulted by what you say, or somehow the joke that you said is not a joke to them. Also, sometimes you don't listen. So a lot of the times would be if you think someone is talking behind your back when we're not even talking about you, we're not comfortable sharing something with you, you always want to somehow still be involved even if it's not involving you, and the person is not comfortable sharing it with you, you get mad about little things.
Diba sabi ni Lars na naging ate ka sa kanya? So hindi mo ba naisip na pagsabihan siya?
There was times where I tried to correct the stuff you say when you're like too loud and everyone's like, it's like a serious moment. I'm like, Narcy, be quiet.
Is that enough para malaman niyang mali yung ginagawa niya?
I played my part in telling you off and telling you what's right, but that's on you. I don't have to keep reminding you over and over. If you got it once, and if you got it the first time, why would I have to remind you again?
Deserving ka ba talaga na maging batch winner?
Yes, I might have inspired a lot of youth right now that even though you're already broken and your family's already a mess and you feel like you want to give up, don't give up. Keep going, keep fighting. I am blessed because I conquered everything that before I thought I wouldn't conquer. I discovered a part of me that I haven't discovered before. You have to go through the storm to get a rainbow at the end.
Ilang sandali pa,
Tapos na ang pagtatanungan. Ashley, makakalabas ka na ng kwarto. Makakabalik ka na sa loob na bahay.
Love you guys.
Ang ginawa, napatunayan niya naman sa kabila ng mga naging karanasan niyang yun, parang naging weakness niya. Nakatungkol siya ng Big Four.
XT housemates,
Kuya.
kailangan ko nang malaman kung anong opinion yung lahat tungkol sa mga kasagutan na binigay sa inyo ni Ashley.
Thumbs up for me.
Ako rin.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Galing.
I didn't expect that.
Sobrang galing niya, kuya.
Alfred,
Yes po.
bakit yan ang boto mo?
Kung ano po talaga siya, yun po yung pinakita niya. Sinabi niya yung totoo. Wala po siyang itinago. Direct to the point po at talagang nagpakatotoo po, kuya.
Parang with heart talaga yung pagsagot niya. Na-feel namin yung pagiging sincere niya sa pagsagot. At saka, ano po talaga namin na determine na nagpapakatotoo po talaga siya, kuya.